The Open Case Studies now offers exciting new interactive versions of our case studies. These interactive versions offer live coding tutorials and quizzes within the case study that engage users, check their understanding, and provide feedback. This development will be especially useful for independent learners outside a classroom environment. To identify which case studies offer interactive versions, you can search for interactive in the case study search bar. This will show all of the case studies that offer interactive versions. Let's choose Exploring CO2 Emissions Across Time. Click on the interactive version, which will automatically pull up the interactive case study. It looks basically the same as the static case study, except for these new interactive tutorials. To find them, click on the exercise subheadings of each data section. Here you can see we have quizzes, as well as live coding exercises. You can select an answer and submit, and if you get it incorrect, the quiz will provide feedback on why that answer is incorrect and allow you to try again. Hooray, we are correct. The live coding tutorials even provide hints if you get stuck, and you can interactively run your code to see the output as you go along. The interactive versions are an exciting development for making the case studies accessible for users of all kinds.